Hi, everybody. This is Carol V. Brown Jones, and I'm here to share a little bit from my book, Get on Board, The New Underground Railroad. Harriet Tubman's spirit is guiding us to love and actions. I want everyone to be able to get on board, first of all, and find out what it's all about when I say we are here for love and actions. And Harriet Tubman's spirit is guiding us to that love and actions. So let me read just the first chapter. And it's called Planting Seeds of Self Love and Unity. Sometimes I think of self love as a seed, something tiny but full of promise, waiting for the right time and care to bloom. In the Harriet Tubman Love and Action gift box that I share with others, it includes a pack of flower seeds. I tell people these seeds already have everything needed to become the beautiful flower they are meant to be. They just need to be planted and nourished. My life feels much the same. Looking back at my growth and my dream for the future, I know God has prepared me to thrive. It just takes time, patience, and nourishment along the way. Every day brings a new lesson, something that helps me add a little more nourishment to my spirit. As I keep learning about myself and the world, I grow stronger and more rooted in purpose. This idea about this book is all about inspiring you to step up, live your purpose, nourish yourself, and know that all you want to be, you already are. Just need to learn how to nourish it and bring that to the blossoming of who you want to be. I'll be sharing more. You can get your copy